So essentially, my memoir is about the fact that I am quarter Japanese. My father was caught with the Second World War. He took an alias of a French name. He had a French birth certificate, although he was Anglo-Japanese, and he spent the war in London pretending to be somebody else. So what I'm doing is incorporating my life and the secrecy I was under until he died, my life and my search for identity with this secret that I couldn't divulge until after he died. I went when I was 75 to Japan, found my family from one hint. And so I've incorporated my whole life within that search for the Japanese family and identity. Duncan, I have told so many people about your course. It is something that I have valued very much. I think it's very economically priced for what you offer. Your way of teaching suited me very much. The way you've set it up is very easy to follow. You can go at your own pace. The videos were clear. I like the way you set it out in PowerPoint. They flow. They're very well articulated, and your introduction to them is excellent. I really appreciate the Zoom calls one-on-one. They are invaluable because in other courses I've done, there are mass Zoom meetings which don't address individual needs. And the way that you work with your client or the writer is very personal, and it's really helpful, really helpful. You address any difficulties that a person presents, and you're very objective and take each person as they come. I can see that. Very useful because you're so thorough. I could see exactly what you were suggesting, where you would change a sentence around and put a phrase in another place or eliminate it completely. That was brilliant. The different sentence constructions, that really opened up my style because I'm an old-fashioned writer before. I'm not up to date, or I wasn't up to date with a more contemporary way of writing. But I realized through the course that it's just as, if not more, practical to break up your sentences and put something punchy in a short line. That was very useful.